Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MANLI GeForce RTX 5080 and 5070 Ti Gallardo Racing Wide and Modular Drag Reduction System. So friend, the MANLI updated the drag reduction system for its Gallardo RT 50 series graphics card, and the MANLI's innovative idea to bring a motorized airflow mechanism to graphics card. Well, this so-called drag reduction system, which is obviously named after racing car and is getting an upgrade, and MANLI has just launched the graphics card within its Gallardo series. As some may have already guessed, the graphics card as part of the racing series, and this new graphics card white theme MNLE has almost completely transformed its entire portfolio to black or white GPU models, so there is a plenty of choice from the brand alone. And the NVIDIA GB203-based MANLI Gallardo series card are quite thick, measuring 69 mm 3.5 slot design with dimension of 35.9 cm length and 14.5 cm width, and both cards are equipped with single 16-pin power connector, and both come factory overclock of 2670 MHz for RTX 5080 and 2512 MHz for RTX 5070 Ti. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.